Welcome back to Caring Guy. If you've ever dreamed of capturing stunning aerial footage without complicated setups or expensive gear, today's drone might surprise you. This is the FPV Remote Control Drone with large screen controller, featuring 8K dual cameras, GPS return, smart obstacle avoidance, and optical flow hovering, all packed into a foldable, easy-to-fly design. Let's take a closer look. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the foldable and compact body, making it easy to carry anywhere. Despite its lightweight design, the drone feels solid and well-built. The brushless motors deliver powerful performance with lower noise, better efficiency, and longer lifespan, perfect for smooth and stable flights. One of the biggest highlights here is the remote controller with a built-in screen. There's no need to connect your phone, just power on and fly. The display offers low-latency, lag-free FPV transmission, giving you a real-time view of everything the drone sees. It's fast, responsive, and incredibly convenient. This drone is equipped with 8K dual-lens aerial cameras, allowing you to switch perspectives mid-flight. With electronic image stabilization and anti-shake technology, every photo and video looks clear, sharp, and professional. Remote camera adjustment lets you frame shots effortlessly, perfect for landscapes, travel, or creative content. Flying is smooth and beginner-friendly thanks to optical flow visual hovering, which keeps the drone locked at a stable height. The intelligent obstacle avoidance system scans its surroundings in multiple directions, helping prevent collisions and making every flight safer. And with GPS positioning, you get reliable one-key return, low battery return, and signal loss return, so your drone always finds its way home. This drone isn't just smart, it's fun. Surround flight captures cinematic orbit shots. Intelligent follow turns the drone into your personal camera assistant. Custom Waypoint flight lets you draw a route on the GPS map, and the drone flies it automatically. One-click shooting makes capturing big shots effortless. There's even a fun surprise feature, one-tap special effects, adding a creative spark to your aerial moments. With support for multiple lithium batteries, you can extend your flight time and enjoy longer sessions in the air. The combination of brushless power, GPS stability, and smart flight control makes this drone suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Inside the package, you'll find FPV Remote Control Drone, screen-equipped remote controller, one or more lithium batteries, USB charging cable, user manual, and essential spare parts, everything you need to start flying right away. So, is this FPV remote control drone worth it? If you're looking for an easy-to-use drone with a built-in screen, 8K aerial camera, GPS safety features, and intelligent flight modes, this one checks all the boxes. It's powerful, smart, and incredibly fun to fly. Thanks for watching, Caring Guy. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. And until then, fly safe and fly smart.